We did it, Joe. We did it, y'all. What's up with y'all? It's Tamia May, and of course, every other day like today is going to be a good day. Okay, and I'm back. Yeah, I'm back. You know, today we're gonna get into how to get some bomb curls with some Flexi rides. I'm gonna show y'all what I be doing. Cause a couple people had asked me what I be doing to make my curls so bomb and stuff like that. So I'm about to show y'all. I'm about to put y'all on game. But okay, I'm gonna get back to y'all when I actually put this lace on, because if I put this lace on camera, and I don't got time for nobody to drag me on this app, so y'all probably ain't even gonna get to see my baby hairs like that for real. I'm gonna be right back. Oh, it's quiet. Ain't no back talk. Stop playing. For today's video, you will need some Cantu wave whip curling mousse. I clearly need to get somewhere. This is my life. Any mousse for real, as long as you let it dry for real, that's really what's gonna make your curls like pop how you want it. Y'all see me? I use a Flexi ride set, 12 piece. They look like this, but at the beauty supply store it was $5.99. We got a dimming brush. Any brush is good as long as you get them tangles out. Then you good. Really, this is all you need. And you need your blow dryer. Stop playing with her. You just want to make sure that you brush all around. Get them tangles out. Have somewhere to be at 6. It's 5:53, and I'm going to let my hair dry, so your girl is gonna have to be late. What you want to do is you can really section it off the way that you want to, but I'm gonna section it off how I normally section it off. I like my curls to be, you know, kind of like big and tight. I love tight curls, and then when you brush them out, they be looking so good. They be looking so good, y'all. Make sure you get from the root down, because you know you want your top to be flat. You know what I'm saying? You don't want to walk around looking like you got a helmet on. And these folks out here crazy, they just gonna let you look like you got a helmet on. They're not gonna say nothing to you or nothing. Like if I got a helmet on my head, just say that. But yeah, you wanna put the mousse on, get it nice and juicy, wet. You wanna comb back through it again. You wanna put the rest of your hair up. I don't feel like doing all that. I really gotta do this quick, but you want to make sure that the ends are wet for real when you wrap it around. All right, let me get one for y'all. You see how I'm wrapping around the ends, just like that. Not like that. You don't want it to look like that. So I'm gonna get some more mousse, and I'm gonna wrap it around town. Bring it around town. You see how shiny it look? These gonna be some bomb curls. You just want to roll it. Period. I'm done. I'm going to bed. Come back to y'all when I have like half of my hair done, I guess. I'm gonna come back when I got half of it done. I'm missing an earring. Please don't mind me, y'all, because I sure do got the other earring on. Y'all got me looking a hot mess. Whoever said no, you got yourself looking a hot mess. Come here, come here, come here, come here.
Come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, yeah, come. Bitch, yeah.
I'm gonna leave the link in the bio for this wig. It's Coochie, not Gucci. Your girl is struggling. God damn. What's been going on with y'all? Like, I've been gone for like 2 years. This is literally my song. And that's my listen. What you want? Hi, everybody. Oh. We did it, Joe. We did it, y'all. Now we finna get into the last little part that's really gonna set it off. Because if you take them down right now, they're gonna be a little curly, but they probably gonna fall down like real quick. So what you wanna do is you wanna get the nearest blow dryer. Mine happen to be right here. I have the Detangler 2000 from Red. I put the description in the link. The link in the description. Period. Y'all know it. Y'all know what the fuck. Don't even do me like that. But yeah, crank this up for like 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or whenever it gets dry to you, depending on how fast your stuff be drying stuff. And then when you feel like it's dry, take it out, and then you should be good. So I'm gonna come back when I'm done drying and show y'all the final look. Should I get dressed? I think I should get dressed. It's 6:18, so it took me about a good 15 minutes to put this all up for real. So, ooh. But yeah, I'm gonna be right back. Ugh. Alright, y'all. Golly. Back in action. It's a little light outside and stuff. I forgot to mention that y'all need some coconut oil or some type of oil just to give it that little shine or whatever. When you're taking any curls out for real, like even with your natural hair, you just need a little bit of oil to, you know, shine some things out. You put it on your fingertips for real. Like, you don't want to like oversaturate your hair and stuff like that. So you want to put it on all your little fingertips, tips. And every time you take it out, just make sure that you. I ain't going nowhere. It's about to be cute. I guess I can give y'all a little update. So I ended up not going out last night. You know, we about to go out right now, and it's just is what it is. Like, it got to a point last night where I was like, I'm not finna go out. That's what I got back. Ooh, I hope that look okay, because I sure can't see it. These curls are for the girls, okay, honey? Y'all. Bitch, I need to go find out what I'm finna wear. I'm gonna come back when I'm dressed and looking a little bit decent. Just playing. I'm finna be a bad bitch. Stop playing. Alright, y'all, I'm back in things. This one just didn't cooperate, or I didn't section it off right or whatever. But when we take, like, when we separate these curls, is which we finna do. Then it's gonna come together, it's gonna look good, all that good stuff. Again, we're gonna take some oil, and this time we're just going to separate. We are just going to separate. You can separate it to your liking. But I just really love curls. Like, I don't think anybody's ever seen me like with my hair straight. That, or I just don't know how to straighten my hair. So like I change my mind and I just be like, yeah, fuck it, I'm finna wear some curls. But yeah, as you can see, my head is starting to look full. You could brush it out to make your curls a little looser, loose, if that's what you like. This is what I like. Yeah, curls. I feel like I really need to like expand my hairstyles because your girl only know how to do so much. So yeah, we gonna try new things, and y'all gonna try them with me, period. Put in the comment section what I'm giving you. That's what I'm giving. Michael Jackson bad. Okay, so what I'm gonna do until I leave, I'm just going to cause it's blowing me. Hey, you talking about? Hey, you talking about? If you know how to make your lace look like Taste, please comment below. I really want to collab with you, and we need to do something ASAP. Now you sitting pretty as hell, cause that's what bad bitches do. They sit. I'ma finish going to get dressed, put on some little lip gloss, whatever, probably some lashes or whatnot, and then I'ma come back to show y'all the final look. All right, y'all. Don't mind my stomach, you know. The girl gotta breathe too. Okay. This is the final look. I don't know if y'all wanna get into it. Nah, I'm just playing. Y'all ain't got no choice but to get into it, honey. Ooh. All right, y'all. I will put everything that I use in this video in the description box. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up right now. You made it to the end. So yeah, go watch my TikTok on this video. It's at Tamia May. Go ahead, interact with me on TikTok. I'm new to TikTok and stuff like that, so y'all can go ahead and, you know, show me some love on there too. If you have an idea, you want to see me do something, you want to collab, you know, somebody that want to collab with me, or you want me to collab with them, just go ahead and let me know. And yeah, I'm put my email and everything in the description box, and y'all go ahead and yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. I gave y'all enough time to do all of the three. Thank y'all. All right, I'm gonna see y'all in this video, and yeah, peace.